I don't want to take it.
I don't want to take it. You got a light?
Oh, no. You're getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
That's because it's getting real close.
I see it moving.
Get the fuck out of here.
Holy Jesus.
I never ever seen one of those in my whole real life.
It's about to get real freaking windy. I'm gonna watch the cat freak the hell out.
Okay.
Kaylee, once this starts, I want you going back inside, like,
It's
like
getting there.
that dog is out here.
Here it goes.
I'm gonna have to get dark as fuck around here.
Oh.
See how dark it is at the base?
Yeah.
Just look at how fast that shit's going.
Oh my, it's raging over here.
That's why you get...
Can't even.
Come on, fucker! I want, Kaylee, when this starts, I want you to go inside, because you're going to get sand in your eyes.
Oh yeah. Wow. It is gonna get black.
It's going to be black as fuck.
Here it goes. Here it comes. Here it comes. And there it goes.
Sand in my eyes.
Holy
One of these?
yes.
By the way, it's like an air conditioner.
Wow, yeah. If you don't mind the debris.
I haven't seen one of these, one this good in a long time.
In 2 minutes, you can't even see.
I bet we're going to hear a million sirens after this. There's going to be a bunch of accidents.
Yeah. Pitch black. Holy hell. Can't even see now. Crazy.
Look at that car, it's like 50 yards down the road.
Well, at least we got something fun today. That is crazy how dark it got.
For the record, really big storms caused